Hello, I'm Mary. Welcome to today's 1 Minute Better Book Review. Today we're talking about Talk Like TED by Carmine Gallo. This book is all about delivering great presentations and harnessing the power of your authentic voice. Gallo studied more than 500 TED Talks and spoke with several speakers to uncover the secrets to effective communication. He presents 9 winning tactics that you can use to get your message across: passion, narrative, close friend, novelty, shock, humor, time constraints, senses, and transparency. Passion is key. The most successful TED presenters share ideas that excite them. Passion is contagious, so display your excitement for your topic and let that energy and enthusiasm rub off on your audience. Narratives are important too. A great story can make your audience more likely to agree with your message. Use an autobiographical story or someone else's experience to connect with your audience on an emotional level. Speak to your audience like a close friend. Use your body language and gestures to convey trustworthiness and authenticity. Practice your presentation to ensure that you're hitting the right notes. Novelty is essential. Present new ideas or information in a fresh and different way. Your audience has a natural desire to learn new things, so give them something novel. Shock can grab your audience's attention. Do something unexpected or impressive to create an emotionally charged event that will make your message more memorable. Humor can also be a powerful tool. Use it wisely to lower your audience's defenses and make yourself appear likable and worthy of support. The maximum time for a TED presentation is 18 minutes, but that constraint can actually help you be more creative. Think of art forms that work within strict constraints and let that inspire your creativity. Don't limit yourself to only the sense of hearing. Incorporate other senses like sight and smell to make your presentation more memorable. Finally, be yourself and be transparent. People have to perceive you as genuine to trust you, so build your self-confidence and practice in front of a trusted friend. If you want to learn more about delivering great presentations and harnessing the power of your authentic voice, this book is definitely for you. If you're still not sure if this book is for you, check out the video description. There you'll find quotes from the book, additional key concepts, audiobook times, and pros and cons to consider before picking up Talk Like TED. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss discovering a new book in our next review. If you've read or listened to the book, let everyone know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, enjoy learning something new and have a great day.